Hello again. So this week I'm in the nice warmth of the kitchen and out of the freezing cold garage. Going to be having a look and an unboxing and a test of the Flextail Tiny Bike Pump Pro. And that's what it looks like when it comes in the box. So let's have a look at it. We're taking it out of the box. If we can get it out of the box. There we are. This comes out here. And immediately I can see the actual thing. So we open up this, let's have a look what's in here. So that looks like the actual pump itself, that's in its own little bag, and that's what it looks like. So, not too bad, round about the kind of size that I was expecting. Fit that in your bag or in your pocket. It looks like there's a thing there where you can push it onto your valve. And looking in the little bag of goodies that comes with it, let's open that up. Oh, there's some instructions in there as well. Don't need those. So let's open up the little bag, see what we've got in there. Looks like a bunch of little adapters and things, the sort of things so you can blow up a football or a bouncy castle, whatever it might be. There you go. Oops. So a tiny little one, no idea what that's for. We've got a rubber ring, some sort of grommet. We've got what looks like an adapter for those nasty little valves where you have to undo the thing on them. I forget what they're called. There looks like a standard sort of adapter, which presumably screws into here. Yes, it does. So there we've got that. Standard football sort of adapter. Charging lead. Looks like USB-C to USB-C. And then tiny little O-ring, so that's obviously for when something breaks. I imagine there's some sort of O-rings in here and in here that will go eventually. So let's try and turn it on. So there's a little button which doesn't do anything. Let's try a long press. There we go. So it's woken up and it says 90, or it did say 90, and there's a little plus and minus here so you can adjust it to whatever you want. So that's good. It says it will go up to 120, so I guess we'll give it a try. It looks like there's a little battery indicator, so it looks like it's charged reasonably well, certainly enough to have a little go with it. Let's go and see if it works on the bike. Okay, so here we are out with the Brompton. Now I've chosen this one because this has got pretty high pressure tyres. Normally they say 100 psi in these, but having said that, I tend to run them at about 80 or 90 because the cycle path I run along is pretty bumpy and it's pretty unpleasant if the tyres are rock hard. So first of all, what I want to do is try this bit where it just pushes on, because that would be the most useful. So let's switch the thing on. There we are. And then I'll pop the valve cap off, lose that, and then, oh. Okay, so as you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. So there we've got the valve, and here we've got the thing, and you can see that, ooh, press the button. You can see it doesn't go on. The spokes are in the way. I can't get it onto the thing. Whichever way I turn it, it won't go onto the thing. So that's a bit of a disappointment. It means I can't use it without this. So let's try it with this. And this looks like the end rotates, so that means I should be able to screw it on. I don't really like these. The problem with these is usually you screw it on, it goes hiss while it's being screwed on and off again. So you pump the tyres up to 100 psi and you undo it, and all the hissing, because it's such a high pressure, by the time you've unscrewed it, all the air's escaped again and you're down to like 60 psi. But we'll try it, we'll see what happens. So we'll screw it into the thing, and now I'll screw it onto here. Screwing on reasonably easily. No, oh, no hissing. No hissing. Now that's the first time I've ever come across it not hissing. So there must be some sort of, perhaps that's what that rubber grommet was. So press the button till it comes on and turn the pressure up. We'll turn it up to 90. Press the button. And there we go. It's only added a couple of psi because these are already, but that was good. Now let's see, here's the proof of the pudding. Can I undo it without all the air leaking out? So, get to it, there we are. Unscrewing it now. Oh, no air came out. There was a tiny, but I think that was the pressure that had built up in the actual in the actual chamber here, and as you release it. So that is, see, I can't see, I'm going to have a look down there, I can't see a rubber ring in there, but obviously something's in there making a seal. Now that's, I'm quite impressed with that. That's good, that is. It means I can actually use a screw connector to blow up high pressure tyres. So back in the warmth of the kitchen, have a quick look at it. Actually, I'm fairly impressed with it. I don't know what the longevity is going to be like. I'll use it over the next few months and we'll see. Battery doesn't seem to have been affected at all, but then it only blew up like about 2 psi. It was pretty fast running, and it's pretty powerful. You really feel it vibrate, but that would fit nicely in a pocket. So all in all, I'm quite impressed. I think I shall use that, and we'll see how it goes. Hope that was helpful. Feel free to subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time.